Oh, she back. So I've seen a couple of really cute things on Aritzia. Obviously, can't quite afford it. First thrift flip of 2020. You remember when I thrifted this jacket? And it was perfect. It still is perfect, and I wanted to turn it into a quarter zip instead of a jacket. And then last week I found this. Also, I realized that because I want to add a pocket, a kangaroo pouch in the middle, I don't have enough material to take from this already semi-cropped jacket and turn it into a pouch. And then I also have this fitted top that I'm going to turn into this style. So yes, let's go. The plan is to add a cuff to the sleeves, hem it, so crop it about this much, I'd say, and then also take whatever remainder fabric I have left and turn it into a kangaroo pouch. This already has pockets inside, which means that there's extra fabric underneath. I'm going to flip it inside out. I'm going to take the pockets out. This fabric doesn't really fray, which is great. So you just sew along that raw edge to finish the hem. Finish the sides of your pocket first before putting it on your sweater. Now I'm going to sew top to the end of the seam and also zigzag stitch close to this hem. So for the sleeve, pretty simple. I'm going to use an elastic that is measured around my wrist. This is a perfect time also to shorten the sleeve. It's perfect because the sleeves are kind of crusty anyways from being worn in the past. And sew along and leave a little bit of an opening so that we can thread our elastic through. For the sleeve, I'm going to zigzag stitch it. This is my mom's, I stole it. I call it the elastic fisher. Okay, and then finish off the rest of the sleeve. Like, I could live in this. The sleeves I feel like were a necessary thing to do. It just, if you see the before versus this just looks like it isn't a pajama. It adds volume to the sleeves as well, which makes it look finished. I'm so happy. So now we gotta do the next one. This piece is fitted in the sleeves already, fitted around the waist. I don't have to make any other adjustments otherwise. I'm going to fold this top in half just to make sure I have it in the middle. So the waistband from the front is different from the back. It's more curved in the front, but then in the back it's straight. The thing that worries me the most is that when you cut fabric like this and then you roll it over and stitch it down, there's a potential for it to get wavy and not sit right. I think what I'm going to do instead is cut close to the edge and then use whatever fabric I have left from the waistband and such to make a facing. Take one edge of the shirt. I only have 3 little bits of scrap material left. I'm going to, on the right sides, place them together and sew along where this black outline was. So now what I'm going to do, now that these are nicely folded, is roll it under. And I don't know, for some reason, even if you can see that the sleeves are raw edges, so because I don't want to add to the bulk of it, I'm just going to roll it once. And then I'm going to top stitch around here, around the neck, and along here. So the waistband actually doesn't have a raw edge, it's doubled up. If you have the extra fabric, it's actually a neat trick. So match the side seams together first and sew just the top layer. So after that you have your waistband attached, but just like the neckline, I'm going to tack it down one more time. So after putting this on, surprisingly the waist is loose. So I'm going to take the waistband out and take it in a lot. And also I think I'm going to crop it out a little bit more because right now it's neither here nor there. So this is the final product. The fit of this is much nicer, as you can see. If I hunch my shoulders, which is a very natural posture of mine. You know when the fabric bunches up because it's too loose, and then if that was a boob, you would see all the boob. So I hope you guys enjoyed these 2 DIYs for you, and if you recreated, please tag me on Instagram at Letitia. Also, I am on TikTok. I post short versions of DIYs, thrift trips, as well as other videos, so you can find me there. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! And this time I also got a haircut, so Stefan didn't notice, but I think y'all would.